function f of x equals x squared minus 4x plus 1, find the average rate of change over the given intervals below. Use your calculator to help you. We'll pull out your calculator. We're going to go to y equals, and we're going to type in this function of x squared minus 4x plus 1. By the way, the X button is beside the green alpha button. You do not need to press enter here. The next thing that we need is we're going to go to second and graph, which is going to give us a table here. What we're looking for in this particular problem is we want what goes with the -2, and then we want the value that goes with 5. So if I pull this back up here, I need to scroll, and there's -2 that we can see now. -2 has a value of 13. 5 has a value of 6. Here's x1, here's y1. Here is x2 and y2. The formula that we're using on this is the slope formula. The slope formula being y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we're going to fill that in. And we end up with, if I can adjust here, we end up with 6 minus 13 over 5 minus a -2. Watch out for those signs. The double negative, some of you don't even write it. You just go straight to the plus, and that's fine. But 6 minus 13 is -7. 5 plus 2 is 7. And -7 divided by 7 is -1. Since we've got the chart up here, let's see if we can figure out b also. And we want to go from 0. So we're still looking at the same screen on our calculator. So it's 0, 1. 0, 1, and 6, 13. Just looking straight off our calculator, and we're filling in. Here's x1 and here's y1. There's x2 and y2. Be sure to ask your teacher if you don't know how to use your calculator. But once we find those values in the calculator, this is going to be 13 minus 1. Over 6 minus 0. 13 minus 1 is 12. 6 minus 0 is 6. And 12 divided by 6 is 2. But after completing those two values, the average rate of change is just another way of saying slope. At the very bottom of this problem, we have a question. Does this equation represent a linear function? Well, the answer is no. And then how can we tell? Well, the slopes are different. And if you prefer, you can write the average rate of change is different. The value of -1 and +2, they need to be the same value for something to be a linear function. And because they're different, we do not have a linear function.